So this is day 2. Some bad weather is apparently supposed to be coming in. So I found this rock shelter for the night. If you can see, it's even got a little vent in the back here, air. But this is home for the night. And to give you a better view, there it is. And that's my shelter. So I'll stay there. Rain's supposed to stop around 7. But here's my view from the shelter. It's not too bad. And behind me is a mountain face, so I don't have to worry about anything from the back. So, alright, well, when it starts downpouring, I'll come back to you.